Hello everyone. So in the previous video we have discussed about functions. So this was the syntax of the function. We have to give the keyword def, and after that we have to write the name of the function we want to. Then in the bracket we have to pass the parameter, and this is the syntax of the function. We have also seen function with multiple parameters, and also seen what does the default parameter do, what is the function of default parameter. Suppose if we forgot to pass the value of the parameter when we are calling the function, at that time if we previously give a parameter value when we are assigning a parameter, at that at the time when the program gets execute, it will take the default parameter. Also we have seen the variable length argument, what is positional argument, and what are keyword arguments. So the predefined words that till now it has been used is for positional arguments star args args, and for keyword arguments doubles asterisk quarks. So this basically quarks is used to access the key value pair in a dictionary, and the star args, this is used to get the elements which are present in a list, multiple elements which are present in a form of a list or tuple or anything. We have also seen the return statement purpose. What does the return statement do? And return multiple parameters, we have also seen that. Then most exciting part we have done is functions practice questions. We have solved many real world problems in functions, such as temperature conversion. Basically in the temperature conversion problem, if anybody remember the formula, then it is easy for them. Otherwise first you have to get uh, familiar with the formula. Then we have seen the password checker. Password checker, this is another type of real world problem, and we have also seen some inbuilt functions like char dot isDigit. IsDigit is used for is the digit present in character, and then is lower is any lowercase like small letter, small alphabet is present in the character, then is upper, and these are some special characters. We have also solved calculating the total cost of items in shopping cart. Then we have seen a new problem, that is a unique type of problem, that if a string is palindrome or not. Palindrome basically means if we give a word, and if that word is equals to the word, if we reverse it, then it is palindrome, otherwise it's not. So these are all we have learned in functions. So today we are going to start with a new function, that is lambda functions. So lambda functions are small anonymous functions in Python, in which only one expression is used and multiple conditions. So I will first show you the syntax, how it's been written, and make sure that when you are opening an IPYNB extension Jupyter, select the kernel. Now given the syntax, we have to first write lambda keyword. This is an inbuilt keyword lambda, then argument, and then expression. So this is the syntax of the lambda function. Now we will see that if like I will show you the difference of lambda function and the function we have done in the previous lecture. So if you write def and the function name, let's say even, and passing the parameter num, then for checking the if condition, if num is modulus 2 equals to 0, then return 2, return true. So basically we have to use multiple lines of code for simply writing this, checking this number is even or odd. So we have to write multiple lines of code. Now you will see what does the lambda functions do. Creating a variable even1 and writing the keyword lambda. Then here I have to give the arguments, like I am creating an argument num, then semicolon, and write the expression for checking even. Once you do that, then call the same variable and pass the value you want to check. Once I shift enter, you will see that true. Now also we have seen that we can pass multiple conditions in a single statement. So how to do that in lambda? Suppose creating an addition function, and let's addition and writing the keyword lambda, then x comma y comma z. I have taken three arguments. I have created three arguments x, y and z, and I will add the three arguments. I will do the addition of the three arguments. Once I do that, I will call the function and pass three value as I have taken three arguments. Or let's say take it, and once I shift enter, you will see that it is printing 39. So it is printing x plus y plus z. First one is the value of x 12, then plus 13, then plus 14. So it is giving 39. So this is how you can take multiple arguments in lambda functions. Now there is another function, that is map function. This I am giving a little intro of map function. Basically it applies a function to all items in a list. Now suppose I am creating a variable numbers equals to, and writing a list of integer, let's say. Then creating a function square, and in the parameter I am passing number. Then returning the square of the number. Calling the function and passing the value to the parameter, that is numbers, or passing the value, let's say 2. Now once I shift enter, you will see that the square of 2 is giving 4. Now how to do this using lambda and map function? First you have to write map, then give a bracket and write lambda keyword. After writing lambda, simply write the syntax of lambda, that is, first give the argument that you want to, suppose let's take x, and x asterisk asterisk 2, and I am mapping this x square of x to numbers. Now once I shift enter this, you will see that it is giving map at this value. So here we have to write list, and once you write list keyword, you will automatically see that a list containing squares of numbers is giving when we are executing the program. So this what does a map function. You can see 2 square is 4, 3, 9, 4 is 16, 5, 25 and 6 is 36. So this is a little introduction of map function. Now creating another file, map.ipynb. Again remember that you have to select the kernel. Now shift enter. So what does the map function do? Map simply applies a given function to all items in the input list. Basically it is a type of list comprehension. So I am showing you why how does map functions easier our code. Creating a function square and return then square and writing 10. Now you will see that I am converting a list of elements into a square of list of elements. Let's take number, creating a list of integer. Now simply you have to write the list keywords, then inside that write the map keyword, and inside that write the lambda and its syntax, passing the arguments, let's say, or let's map this square and number. Once I shift enter, you will see that a list containing squares of number is being executed. So map function is taking this square function and mapping with the list of numbers. When it is mapping with the list of numbers and outside of the bracket I have done the list keyword, it automatically changing into list which is containing a square of numbers. So this what does the map function do? Now let's see how to use map with lambda functions. Writing numbers, then creating the same integer data type of list. Once I shift enter, you will see that lambda is also there, map function is also there. So map is doing the combination of this operation with the numbers of list, and lambda is performing only this function. So this is how lambda with map function works. Now if you want to use map with multiple iterables, how would you proceed? Let's say taking number 1 in which I am writing 1, 2, 3, and creating another number 2 in which I am writing 4, 5 and 6. Now creating a variable added numbers in which I will use the map and lambda function and convert it into a list. You will see that 1 plus 4 is giving 5, 2 plus 5 is giving 7 and 6 plus 3 is giving 9. So it's basically doing the operation of lambda and mapping the operation of mapping the list of number 1 and number 2 and performing this addition operation. Then finally it's converting into a list. So this is how you can map with multiple iterables. Now we will proceed to furthermore into this topic, how to use map to convert a list of strings to integer, taking string numbers one, then again in string, this all are string data type. Then taking a int numbers variable and here performing our map function to convert a list of strings to an integer. So first writing the list keyword, then map, and then using the int keyword to str numbers. So basically what is doing the int, this is an inbuilt keyword. When I am mapping int comma str numbers this variable, so it converting the str numbers to integer. Now if I print the int numbers, you will see that this all numbers which previously was in string data type are converting into integer data type. Also one more example I want to show you, that if I creating a list of words in which inserting the fruit's name in lowercase, okay, and schedule. Now creating a variable upper words and I will use a map function to convert the lowercase to uppercase. For that there is an function in string, that is str.upper. Once you perform that function, it will automatically change the lowercase words to uppercase words. See, the lowercase apple is completely changed to uppercase. Now you can see banana is also completely in uppercase and cherry is also in uppercase. So this is how you can use map to convert uh, uppercase lowercase to uppercase, or the vice versa. So this is all about map function. So these are the two important function that is efficiently used in the furthermore furthermore course in data science. And in Python also we will use these two functions, lambda and map, which will makes our logic and coding very much simpler. It will not be too much complex. So this is all about map function. I hope that you really enjoy it, and if there is any doubt you can let me know in the comment section. So yeah, that's for all.